Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Daily English Loop. I am your host, Alex. It is a fantastic day to be here with you all. I have my favorite mug right here filled with hot, dark roast coffee, and I am ready to get chatting.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lisa. It is so good to be back with you all. And Alex, as always, you and your coffee. You know I've got my green tea here. It keeps me calm but full of energy. I am feeling fantastic today.
That is great, Lisa. You always have such good energy. And we are going to need it today because we have a really special topic. It is something that scares a lot of students, but it is actually the secret key to sounding like a native speaker.
Oh, I know exactly what you are talking about. Today, we are diving into the world of phrasal verbs.
Yes, phrasal verbs. They can seem a little tricky sometimes, I know. A verb plus a preposition, it sounds like math class. But trust me, once you start using them, you will hear them everywhere, in movies and songs, in the coffee shop.
Everywhere. And our goal today is to make them easy and fun to learn. We are going to break them down so you can start using them today.
Exactly. So, before we jump in, friends, please remember to share this episode with your friends. Hit that like button and make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Loop. It really helps us keep the lights on and the coffee brewing.
Yes, please do. Your support means the world to us. Okay, Alex, where should we start? Maybe with the morning routine?
That is the perfect place to start. So, Lisa, what is the very first phrasal verb you use every single day?
Well, the first thing I do is wake up.
Wake up, that is a classic. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Or, in my case, sometimes 7:15 if I'm being lazy.
Wake up just means to stop sleeping. Your eyes open, you are conscious.
Right, but waking up is different from the next one, which is get up.
Yes, this is a big difference. Wake up is mental. Get up is physical. Get up means you actually leave your bed. You stand up.
Exactly. I usually wake up at 6:30, but honestly, I don't get up until 6:45. I need those 15 minutes to mentally prepare for the day.
I am the opposite. I wake up and I get up immediately. Boom, ready for the day.
You are a machine, Lisa. So, we wake up, we get up, then what do we do with our electronics?
We use turn on and turn off.
Essential. I go to the kitchen and I turn on the coffee maker.
And at night, before you sleep, you turn off the lights or you turn off the TV.
Turn on means to start a machine or power. Turn off means to stop it. It is much more natural than saying start the light or stop the light. Don't say that.
Please don't. Turn on and turn off are perfect. Now, Alex, what happens if you lose your keys in the morning?
Oh, this happens to me all the time. I have to look for them.
Look for. This means to search. You are trying to find something.
Where are my keys? I am looking for my keys. Or maybe you go to a bookstore and you are looking for a specific book.
Exactly. It's about the search. Now, speaking of responsibility, what about the phrase look after?
Look after. That is a very kind phrasal verb. It means to take care of someone or something.
Like, can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation?
Or parents look after their children. It implies safety and care. It's a very warm phrase.
It is. Now, imagine you're walking down the street, Alex, and you see an old friend from high school unexpectedly. What do you call that?
That's when you run into someone.
Run into, not literally crashing into them with your body.
No injuries involved. It means to meet someone by chance. I ran into Tom at the supermarket yesterday. It's usually a nice surprise.
Definitely. But sometimes you plan to visit someone briefly. For that, we can use call on.
Call on. That sounds a bit formal, doesn't it?
A little bit. I'm going to call on my grandmother this afternoon. It means to visit for a short time.
That is sweet. Now, since we mentioned call, let's talk about phone phrasal verbs. These are super common.
What if someone calls you, but you are busy recording a podcast?
Then I tell them, I can't talk right now. I will call back later.
Call back. That means to return a phone call.
Yes, I'll call you back in 5 minutes. We say this 10 times a day. And when the conversation is finished,
You hang up.
hang up. You end the call. Okay, bye. Click. You hang up.
It's funny because we don't physically hang phones on the wall anymore, but we still say hang up.
Language is funny like that. History stays in the words. Now, Lisa, let's go on a trip. If I invite you to come with me to the beach, what do I say?
You might ask, do you want to come along?
Come along. It means to accompany someone, to go with them.
We're going to the cinema. Why don't you come along? It is very friendly and inviting.
And when we start our journey, when we leave the house to go on the trip,
We set off.
we set off early in the morning to avoid traffic. It means to begin a journey.
I love setting off on a new adventure. It feels exciting.
Now let's talk about being generous. What if I have too many clothes in my closet?
You should give away the old ones.
Give away. It means to give something to someone for free, maybe to a charity or a friend.
I'm going to give away these books. It is a nice thing to do.
And what about stopping a bad habit? Like maybe I drink too much coffee. Actually, that's impossible.
Alex, but let's say you want to stop eating sugar. You would give up sugar.
Give up. It means to quit or stop doing something. I need to give up smoking. Or, in a general sense, don't give up on your dreams.
Oh, that is a good one. It means don't stop trying. Perseverance.
Speaking of perseverance, what if we want to continue doing something?
Then we carry on.
Carry on. It sounds very British. Keep calm and carry on.
Exactly. It means to continue. Sorry for the interruption. Please carry on with your story.
Or, let's carry on with the podcast.
Let's do that. Now, Alex, what if you are cleaning your room and you find something by accident?
Then I come across it.
Come across. To find by chance.
I came across an old photo of us from last year. I wasn't looking for it, but I found it. It's like a discovery.
I love when that happens. Now, what about creativity or lying?
Ah, the versatile verb make up.
Make up. It has a few meanings. One is to invent, like he made up a story about why he was late.
He was lying. He invented the story. But artists also make up songs or stories.
True. And there is another meaning. If friends fight, but then they apologize and become friends again?
They make up. They had a big argument, but they made up. It means to reconcile.
That is sweet. English is tricky, isn't it? One word, two meanings.
It keeps us on our toes. Now, Lisa, imagine you have a big document to read, but you don't have much time.
Then I would look through it.
Look through. It means to read quickly or scan. I will look through the report before the meeting.
You aren't reading every word, just getting the main idea. And if the report is confusing?
Then you need to figure out the problem.
Figure out. I use this all the time. It means to understand or solve.
I can't figure out why my computer is so slow. Or, can you help me figure out this math problem?
It's about using your brain to find a solution.
Now let's talk about people. We work together, Lisa. Do we have a good relationship?
I think so. We get along with each other very well.
Get along with. It means to have a friendly relationship. I get along with my neighbors. I don't get along with my boss.
Hopefully you get along with your boss.
Hopefully. Now, what if I want to test something new, like a new coffee shop?
You want to try out the new shop.
Try out. To test something to see if you like it.
I'm going to try out this new recipe for dinner.
Now, remember we talked about call on meaning to visit? There is a more casual way to say that.
Yes, drop by.
Drop by. I love this one. I was in the neighborhood, so I thought I'd drop by.
It means to visit informally, usually without a big plan. Feel free to drop by anytime.
But before people drop by, what should you do to your house?
You definitely need to clean up.
Clean up. To tidy, to make it look nice. I need to clean up the kitchen.
And if you find trash while you're cleaning up,
You throw away or throw out.
they mean the same thing. Put it in the garbage. Throw away that old banana.
Throw away those old papers. Get rid of them.
Okay, Alex, let's get dressed. What phrasal verbs do we need for clothes?
Well, first you put on your clothes.
Put on. To wear. Put on your coat. It's cold outside.
And when you come inside,
You take off your coat.
take off. To remove. Simple opposites. Put on and take off.
And what about paperwork? Everyone hates paperwork.
You have to fill out the forms.
Fill out. It means to complete the form with your information. Name, address, phone number.
Please fill out this application. Sometimes you hear fill in too. They are basically the same.
Just get it done so you can carry on with your day.
Exactly. Now, what if life is hard, but you don't want to quit?
You have to keep on.
Keep on. It is like carry on. It means continue. Keep on trying. Keep on smiling.
It's about not stopping.
And what if you're brainstorming for our podcast and you have a new idea?
You come up with an idea.
Come up with. To create or think of something. Lisa came up with a great topic for today.
Thank you, Alex. And what if there's traffic on the way to the studio?
Then I get held up or hold up.
Hold up. It means to delay. Sorry I'm late. The traffic held me up.
Or if you're walking too fast, I might say, hey, hold up, wait for me.
Good one. Now, getting back to people. When you first meet someone, you don't know them well. But over time, you get to know them.
Get to know. It's the process of becoming friends. I want to get to know you better.
It takes time to get to know someone.
And if you need a ride home,
You can ask a friend to pick you up.
pick up. Can you pick me up from the airport? It means to collect someone with a car.
You can also pick up a skill, like I picked up a little Italian when I was in Rome. It means you learned it casually.
That's a cool usage. Now, what if we planned a meeting, but we're both sick?
We have to call off the meeting.
Call off. It means to cancel. The baseball game was called off because of rain.
That's always disappointing, but sometimes necessary.
And when you have a problem, you have to
Deal with it.
deal with, to handle, to manage. I have a lot of emails to deal with today.
It sounds like work.
It is work, but after you handle a difficult situation, or maybe after you're sick, you eventually
Get over it.
get over, to recover. I hope you get over your cold soon.
Or emotionally, he finally got over his ex-girlfriend. He's okay now.
That's important. And sometimes, when we're old and gray, Lisa, we'll sit in our rocking chairs and
Think back.
think back, to remember the past. I like to think back on the days when we started this podcast.
Ah, nostalgia.
Now, let's review something complex. If I explain the grammar rules again, I'm
Going over them.
go over, to review or check in detail. Let's go over the plan one more time to make sure we understand.
It's very useful for studying.
Now for something dramatic. What happens to a balloon if you put too much air in it?
It will blow up.
Blow up, to explode, boom, or simply to inflate. I need to blow up balloons for the party.
Hopefully they don't blow up in your face.
Now back to clothes. Before you buy the shoes, what do?
You try on the shoes.
Try on. Put them on to check the size. Can I try on this shirt?
Always try it on before you buy it.
Now, secrets. Lisa, if I tell you a secret, don't
Don't let out the secret.
let out, to reveal, to tell something that was hidden. Who let the cat out of the bag?
Oops, I won't let it out, I promise.
Okay, quick. I need to remember a phone number.
Jot down the number.
Jot down, to write quickly. Let me jot that down.
It's a fun little phrase. Jot.
And if you see a game of soccer in the park and you want to play,
You ask to join in.
join in, to participate. Come on, join in the fun.
But what if you promised to play, but then you get scared?
Then you might back out.
Back out. To withdraw. To quit a commitment at the last minute. He backed out of the deal.
Not cool. Don't be the person who backs out.
Alex, look at the time. I think we need to finish.
You are right. We need to wrap up.
Wrap up. To finish or complete. Just like wrapping a present. You are finishing the package.
Let's wrap up this episode.
We covered so many phrasal verbs today.
We really did. Wake up, get up, turn on, look for, run into. The list goes on.
It might feel overwhelming, but remember what we said at the start. You don't need to memorize them all today.
Exactly. Start with the easy ones. Start with your morning routine. I wake up, I get up, I turn on the coffee.
Build it up slowly. Listen to English songs, watch movies. You will hear these words everywhere.
And when you hear one, jot it down.
Yes, write it down and try to use it. Figure out the meaning.
You guys are doing great. Learning phrasal verbs is a huge step in your English journey.
It really is. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Thank you so much for listening. Please, if you found this helpful, subscribe to Daily English Loop. Hit that like button.
And share it with a friend. Maybe a friend you want to get along with better?
Nice one. And we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what is your favorite phrasal verb? Or use one of the new ones you learned today in a sentence.
We love reading your comments. We will be back soon with another fun episode.
Until then, keep on practicing.
See you next time, everyone. Take care.
Bye for now.